So for those who don't know me yet, my name is Philip Rakus. I work with Torsten Heibach here at the Modular Systems. That's where you are right now. We warmly welcome you, and Torsten would like to start with the exhibits and explain something about our new systems and exhibits to you.
So let's start. The company TÜNKERS has been a manufacturer of gripping systems for quite some decades now. We started with the round tube system back then. Over the years we have evolved, for example, with the Eurogripper tooling system, which we produce for the automotive industry. And one product that has been in our portfolio since 2016 or 2017 is our TOS system, for example. Right, and what you can see over here is, for example, a demonstrator from us. So what is this demonstrator used for? This demonstrator gives our customers the opportunity to test the benefits of the system by training maintenance with them and also giving designers a practical insight into our system. A nice way to test our products, right? All right, let's move on. What exactly do we have over here? Here, for example, we have very simple but yet sophisticated connection systems that make it easy to avoid additional threads and so on. Yes, as you can also see here, and as this demonstrator symbolizes, we have a robot connection with a base frame and clamping points designed here to be portable. Very practical. What we can also see going forward is the following. We are, for example, not only active in the area of the standard systems, but alongside them we also offer special systems for lightweight construction, systems which however remain fully compatible with one another via the platform. Alright, here, for example, we have components made of carbon that have already been in use for many years, even decades in fact. We have also made it our mission to ask ourselves and discuss questions like, how can we make plant engineering more sustainable? And we have taken this up as a topic of discussion. Which material, for instance, would be a possible option here? And then we simply experimented and asked ourselves, would it be possible with bamboo, for example? As we know, many people will say that bamboo is out of the question, but in reality nothing is impossible, and for now this simply serves to spark a discussion on, so why does it have to be bamboo? Why couldn't it be, for example, a combination of natural fibers with epoxy resins or else? Yes, and also we take an open approach in every respect and are active across a wide range of fields here. And to give you a concrete example, if we take a look at what's on the table here, these are the base plates of our gripper system that you can see here. So what does that mean for us? We have the opportunity to create, for example, a base plate in the carbon sector weighing 8 kilograms, but we can also offer standard plates in the range of 22 kilograms. Right, and as you all may know, carbon is of course always a matter of cost, and we here also have the opportunity to serve every customer individually according to their specific needs. We are working, and this right here is just a development model in the area of stiffer profiles. So to address that, we are working on making the profiles lighter. We get there, for example, by using magnesium alloys or also with other solution concepts such as steel solutions. Alright, and next up, our gripper system, which we started with, should in our opinion also be considered modular. That means that you can create many different combinations with this system. We can create it as you need it. For example, you can see a car set behind you, which is, by the way, now renamed and called Modular Collecting Cart. This modular collecting cart you can see there, for instance, is used in the automotive industry in the final assembly. It can be pushed manually by the worker or be moved automatically. It is very versatile and can be adapted for specific customer needs. And again, our flexible system can be used in so many ways. One case could be if a customer asks, what else can I do with it? One could imagine, for example, building a protective fence. And then there's the question again, can a protective fence be designed differently, more sustainably? That's when we thought, try it with bamboo. So is it possible or not? Right. Let's say, as many people say, well, interesting presentation, but is it really efficient? It's also meant to spark a discussion and raise awareness. How can we make standard manufacturing more sustainable today? In the robot cell behind us, for example, you can also see our gripper system that I introduced to you here, which is based on electricity. Back then, the company TÜNKERS started with pneumatic clamping technology, but up to this day, we have also evolved to meet customer demands for electric clamping technology. And over here, you can also see a prototype gripper that was initially built for a customer in Cologne, which includes our intelligent clamping technology and also as well the standard electric clamping technology. And for our customer, this gripper will also be equipped with pneumatic clamping technology. In the end, this means that he has 3 different options from the company TÜNKERS to see what is efficient for his application and can then decide in which direction he wants to orient his production facilities later. Yes, and that therefore means that as a company, we have the possibility to offer a solution for every customer request. We are set up in such a way that all gripper systems you see with us are combinable with each other, and the components can also be used elsewhere.